It's been less than 1 week since Apple launched the iPhone 14 lineup, and users were reporting violent camera shake when opening the camera on some third-party apps. The issue is now being addressed as an iOS 16.0.2 update is now rolling out to iPhones ahead of schedule. The shaking of the camera was seemingly caused by the second generation sensor shift via system in the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max's main camera. Some users reported loud shaking and grinding noises coming from the camera when opening a non-Apple app that used the camera, make the camera unusable for these apps. This wasn't affecting my personal iPhone Pro unit. Other fixes were issued with the update as well. There were some complaints about the new copy-paste prompt that came with iOS 16. It would ask users permission to copy and paste content between apps, and its frequency was apparently annoying some users. The update also fixes an issue that was apparently breaking touch input for some users with unresponsive touch input following a display replacement affecting iPhone 10, iPhone XR, and iPhone 11. The update is now rolling out to all supported iPhones. To pull the update, head into the settings, go to General tab and Software Update.